choo, choo, choo. It's Miss Sarah's number train. Are you ready to learn numbers with Miss Sarah? Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Great job! Now that we've learned 1 to 10, do you know what is next? We are going to learn 11 to 20. Are you ready? Let's go! 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20.